At TokenX, our team of Web3 experts help you define detailed Web3 tokens for your product. Why tokens? They create an immutable record of authentication, transparency, and engagement. Tokens drive customer loyalty by offering verifiable proof of ownership or attendance and can verify the legitimacy of documents and luxury goods, tracking them from production to sales. Let's see how this works for tracking prescription drugs. In this demo, we'll mint a token, append it at each step in the supply chain, and validate it as a consumer. Beyond the blockchain, you can also link the token to physical tags such as an NFC tag on a prescription bottle to tie it to the physical asset itself. Let's start with step number 1, which is adding detailed metadata to the token. Beyond text, you can enrich the token with additional information such as legal rights, maps, physical NFC tag information, and we can even upload files with more information. You can even choose which blockchain you'd like to mint on, and then let's go ahead and upload all of that information to the blockchain and mint the token. We're going to skip to step number 3, where we can view the token. An NFC tag on the prescription bottle allows users to tap their smart device to verify authenticity, check for tampering, and even track usage. You can see all the input information here, including AI instructions for this prescription. We can see here that it ends with the file hash. And then we're going to go back to step number 2, which is appending the record. You can track a drug's journey from manufacturing through distribution and delivery. Let's go ahead and add this information for manufacturing. And let's store the pharmacy information as well. Each stage's data is appended to the token, maintaining an unalterable, verifiable record. When you go back to view the token, you see that the initial master information remains unchanged and that the additional information has been appended. We can see that manufacturing information as well as the pharmacy information. TokenX also lets you validate a token by checking its hash against the document or transfer tokens as needed. So to validate a document, let's choose the incorrect one, prescription with a capital P, try and validate that, and it shows that the hash does not match and this is not the correct file. But let's go ahead and remove that, choose the correct file. It will check against the hash of this token ID, and as we can see, it does match, and therefore this is a valid and authentic document related to this token. With TokenX, you can see how tokens are used in your industry, from customer loyalty rewards to supply chain tracking. Whether you're new to Web3 or experienced, TokenX provides bespoke solutions and comprehensive APIs to integrate these functionalities into your Web2 or Web3 systems. We're excited about how TokenX combats counterfeit goods and creates new engagement methods for our clients and their customers.